Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. This is a new series that we're going to be starting on our YouTube channel. A lot of people have requested and asked to see what the New Zealand motorhomes look like. So I hope you enjoy watching this new segment. So as standard, the Kea Dreamland comes fitted with the awning. It comes with a satellite at the top and double glazing windows everywhere and large water tanks as well. You get ample of storage here on the rear. It's larger than the Platinum, much larger than the Platinum. Twin bike rack. More storage access this side, and your gas bottle lives there. It's your toilet system, and your water filtration and everything is on this side. This is your lithium ion battery setup and your central combi heating on the outside here. So you get a twin battery setup with this particular motorhome. Quite an ingenious design. Now we'll step inside, open the door. We've got an electric step down here. So coming into, when you're on the inside, it's absolutely spacious here. This is an amazing motorhome. Fitted with a full-size oven. So you've got an oven there. Grill and 4 gas burners. Huge lounge at the back. This is similar to the old Kea Dreamtimes that were built on the 4 Transits. Widescreen 24-inch TV and a lot of modern features with the massive roof vent and everything. So this is quite a cool design. This is a 4-berth motorhome, so you might be wondering where the additional seats are. Seats are located just underneath here on either side. So as I was saying, so this is where your additional seats are located. If you have passengers on board, you've got to push that handle down. That becomes your seat with its integrated seat belt. It's quite comfortable, and you get a nice view out the window. So that's where the additional seats are located on the Kea Dreamland. Go ahead and fold that now. So there are a lot of features to cover on this motorhome. We'll just start with the storage. So these are the new modern type handles that lock into there. So plenty of storage all around. Storage everywhere. Now the good thing about this Kea Dreamland is this is the first Kia made motorhome that's fitted with double glazing. So all these windows are double glazed. As you can see on this one as well, it's also, all of them have the fly mesh, and you also have a block out. Which just blocks out quick and easy blinds for all the windows. You've got a modern stereo system here. It's got Wi-Fi and it's got all the new modern features on it. Made by Fusion speakers for the back. Like I said earlier, big 24-inch TV. And now this is a new design. This is where your full control panel is. It's a digital based system and it shows you everything in real time. So for example, if you want to turn the lights on, now we've got all our lights on. The bathroom on this is huge. So here you can see the toilet, small sink there, storage space at the top, and a large size bathroom which closes off. Very, very cool design. Everything's well made. So that's the bathroom area. Again, you get the same Dometic type folding tap and sink. Plenty of storage everywhere, like I said. Cupboards everywhere. You won't be struggling for storage on this motorhome, that's a definite fact. So this motorhome is fitted with a large size fridge. So again, you turn it on, touch panel control. This is your freezer up here, and this is your storage for your vegetables or any other produce. So it's a good size fridge we have over here with a separate compartment. Here we have extra storage, lots of cupboard space. That's the main control unit for the whole system. And we have a bed at the top there as well. So something I didn't mention was this rear lounge converts into a bed. It also has a couple of mounts for the table. So the table goes there and it forms the bed here. So you have one large bed. This model can also be fitted with an electric drop-down bed if you want, if you're custom building it from new. So this bed here, grab this and pull this down. We've got an excellent ladder here, very comfortable to use. So it's less of a ladder and more just steps. Super easy to use. And coming up to the top here, again you've got double glazing everywhere with your blockouts and your fly screens. And you've got multiple chargers and reading lights over there. Very comfortable mattress. So now we're moving on to the cabin area. Again, this is the new Mercedes Sprinter layout. These are the new touchscreen head units that are fitted to the Kia made motorhomes. Great unit. It's got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the whole lot, and reversing camera as well into that. Similar to the Platinums, this has got the V6, which is an excellent platform. Very powerful. You won't struggle in driving this, or even if you have to tow anything with it. So yeah, that concludes the brief tour of this New Zealand made Kea Dreamland. So this is the successor to the Kea Dreamtime that used to be based on the Ford Transit. And that's what it looks like. I'll put up a picture now of all the specs. You can go through it and have a look at it. But yeah, it's amazing motorhome to be in. Well thought of, with everything, the range hood and everything. Even the simplicity of just putting everything off. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It'll help me make more videos like this and bring you more interesting content of different New Zealand made campers. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you.